India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich family heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In the well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Master Saman.
Dear teachers, beloved parents, and my dear friends, warm greetings to you all. As you all know, auspicious in our nation's history, as it won back its freedom after many years of relentless struggle.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, close, home.
Our manager, Madam Jiva, on behalf of our chairman, Madam Gina, and Mr. Luke, and all respected parents, and all my beloved, dearest students. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. First of all, I wish you everyone Happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Yeah, I wish you 78th Happy Independence Day of colleagues and all the respected parents. Dear parents, we have many programs planned today. After this, we have a musical fusion by Deldo Kuchin, and there will be the class-wise program of all the classes. And finally, we have a folk dance and folk music by Regasa Folk Band Trichur. So I'm not taking much of your time and not prolonging my words. Nothing to speak more. We are the largest democratic country in the world. The population-wise, we are first enough. In 1947, when we get our independence, Nehru used the word on 1947, the midnight of India. India awakes, and after 78 years, we are one of the first 10 countries in the financially, politically, and military force. We are leading country, and our manpower is the best resource to supply all the world. 1947, around 90 years, we have taken the big effort by extending effort. And as students, how to protect our nation, not with the big charged things. If you switch off the lights after your കലഹമെന്തിന് കൊല വിളികളെന്തിന് പല നിറങ്ങൾ പല വണ്ണങ്ങൾ നിറഞ്ഞ പൂങ്കാവ് ഇന്ത്യ അനവധിയാൽ മതങ്ങൾ പൂക്കും അരുമ പൂങ്കാവ് ഇന്ത്യ അരുമ പൂങ്കാവ് ഒരു വനത്തിൽ പല കിളികൾ ചിലച്ചിടും പോലെ ജനം ഇവിടെ പല ഭാഷകളിലും ഒഴിഞ്ഞു വാഴുന്നു ജനം ഒഴിഞ്ഞു വാഴുന്നു കലഹമെന്തിന് കൊല വിളികളെന്തിന് കലഹമെന്തിന് കൊല വിളികളെന്തിന്. Once again, I convey my congrats and thanks.
As incapable in my lucid movements of reaching a statement of this character. It is complete independence that we want. Years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge, not only or in full measure, but very substantially. At the stroke of the midnight hour,
Maulana Azad.
आपको ये याद रखना चाहिए कि दुनिया में हर जिम्मेदारी के तकाजे हैं और वो तकाजे पूरे करने पड़ते हैं. जो पाँव तोड़ कर बैठ जाते हैं उन्हें कभी ठोकर नहीं लगती, गिरते वही हैं।
जो काम हमें करना है वो काम हम करें तो सारी दुनिया में हिंदुस्तान जो अपना योग्य स्थान है वो ले सकता है। और मुझे विश्वास है कि इस रास्ते पर जो रास्ता गांधी जी ने हमको बताया उसी पर हम चलेंगे तो हमारी जगह
Is going to be the last theater of war in this part of the world. Since I do not know how many of us who are going to participate in the country, we are confident that the minute that now hangs over East Asia will be benefited once for all.
Dear all,
Academic coordinator, the invited band team of the day, worthy teachers, beloved parents, and my dear friends, a warm greetings to you all. I stand here today as a proud and grateful student to express my heart. With a deep sense of appreciation, I thank him for his undaring efforts. Thank you, sir. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all of you. Thank you all. Have a great Independence Day.
Thank you to Maria. Now we have the national anthem. I invite school choir to lead us in national anthem.